Welcome back. With me right now is Doug Custance. I'm sure you recognize him. He is the adjunct faculty member with Emeritus Music, and I'd like to welcome you. You teach a couple different classes, right?
I do. We have a voice class that meets on Saturday at 10 a.m. at Clubhouse 3, and we also have a barbershop chorus, the Melody Makers Barbershop Chorus, and that's at Wednesday at 3:30, right in Clubhouse 3.
Oh, fantastic. Now tell me about the barbershop chorus. Is that something that anyone can join?
Yes.
Usually barbershops are only
The audition
4 people.
process is very rigorous. If you're breathing, you can come.
Okay. All right. Very good. And I'd like to also welcome Greg Lewis.
Yes,
is that right?
that's
now,
correct.
are you sort of the lead of the singers here?
Well, we have a secondary group that meets an hour earlier than the regular 3:30. We meet at 2:30.
Okay.
And we're made up of people that want to learn to sing in a quartet or an octet.
Okay.
So we do that type of performance and work on those things. And this is some of the group right here.
Oh, very good.
Obviously, we're more than a quartet and less than an octet. So.
Right, that's true, yeah.
It's a schlepptet.
Yes. So, you have a long background in this community with
Yes, I've been
many
teaching,
different things.
I have
am I
been
right?
teaching, yes, many different things. I've been teaching here at the Emeritus Institute. This is my 38th year.
Wow.
And hoping I'm going to get right one of these days. So,
Yeah.
it's really a lot of fun, and of course, we live here in the community now, and I also have a small business that does food service here.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, so anytime you need something, just let me
I
know.
didn't know that at all.
Yeah.
Now, did you also, among being, been emeritus a long time, you also, I remember conducting some of the symphonies and things like that. Was that through Emeritus or separate?
It was not. Some of the little bands that you might know, little groups that you might know that I've been able to do is the Boston Pops. I've conducted them, and I did the
bands.
the Mormon Tabernacle Choir for their radio and TV broadcast.
Wow.
And performed at Carnegie Hall and the Sistine Chapel, and did several,
Wow.
a lot of concerts at the Hollywood Bowl. So I'm not just your average guy. I've done a couple things, but you're only as good as your next thing, so all that doesn't matter. I have to say that even if I've done all those things, I'm having the most fun with the groups I have here. It is absolutely great, and all those things that I did is because I've been here these years and they taught me how to do it.
Wow, that's fantastic. Well, we're going to do a little number here. Why don't you tell me what it is?
Well, we're going to do, like you said, a little barbershop number. It's very basic, but it's a lot of fun, and we hope you enjoy it. Oh, honey, honey, bless your heart. Oh, honey, that I love so well, so well. I've done been true, my gal, to you. You're the honey that I love so well. Little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. Love you in the spring and in the fall.
Honey, 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 honey.
Little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. Love you best of all.
Honey,
Little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. Love you in the spring and in the fall.
honey.
Little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. Love you best of all.
Honey, honey,
Honey that I love so well.
Wow, that was excellent. Yeah, very, very good. You didn't sing.
I didn't sing. I wanted to listen. I'm the guy who waves his arms, and everybody else does the work. So we have lots of talented people in this group.
Yes, you
Unfortunately,
do.
they couldn't be here today. But
Yeah,
But-
this was really remarkable. And I have to say, or have to ask, traditionally, when you go back to barbershop quartets, did they really start in barbershops? Do you know any of the history of them?
Not really. It's just a terminology, and the society that started was SPEBSQSA. It was back in the time when the government was doing all those type of abbreviations. And so it stood for Society for the Preservation and Encouragement of Barbershop Quartet Singing in America. Now they just call it the Barbershop Harmony Society.
Okay.
Little easier, and includes more people. And so it's really a fun hobby. I've done it for 36 or so years, so it's very nice.
Now, I've always thought, you know, and you mentioned Quartet. You have the, you know, I don't know too much about music, but you have the bass and baritone and tenor and that sort of thing. When you have more folks singing, do you have like 2 tenors and 2
Yep.
basses? Is that how that works?
That's what the octet is, 2 of each.
Okay. Well, it sounded fantastic.
When
I
we're
mean, it
all
was just
here, all 8 of
amazing.
us are here, we build them as the octogenarians.
Well, just really fantastic. I mean, you just did it just wonderful. I didn't expect it to be that good. I mean, no offense.
That's okay, neither did I. So
You know, because I thought, no, but what I mean is, and I know a lot of times you do beginning singers and things like that. So this is, I
we
mean,
do have some talented people, so it's a lot of fun for me.
yeah. If somebody wants to do this, we're right into the middle of the spring season. Are you doing summer?
Yeah, we go. This group goes all year round.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, we have a couple, maybe a couple weeks in August, but we go all the year round. So we're going to be doing it for the summer session. And if they want to come and see what we do, we have 2 opportunities right fast with this group. My voice class is going to be doing a Mother's Day dessert concert on Saturday, May 12th at Clubhouse 3 in one of the dining rooms, and it's free, and it includes dessert, some great singers. And then on 4th of July at Clubhouse 7, right when all the big things are happening at Clubhouse 2, right across the street at 3 o'clock, the Melody Makers Barbershop Chorus and these quartets are going to be doing a concert called I Love the Whole United States. And
Oh,
we'd
that
love to
sounds
have
great.
you there.
That really, that's good. So check that out. And what I'd like you to do is maybe sing us another song. And kind of, we'll have you on for a couple of minutes and kind of play us out of the segment.
That's great.
Anything else you'd like to add, Doug?
No, I'm fine. Just come to our concerts because the price is right and you'll get more than you bargained for it.
Yes.
Really a lot of fun.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Wild Irish Rose.
Oh, you can stay. It's all right.
My wild Irish rose, the sweetest flower that grows. You may search everywhere, but none can compare with my wild Irish rose, Irish rose. My wild Irish rose, my rose, the dearest flower that grows. And someday for my sake she may let me take the bloom from my wild Irish rose, my rose. The bloom from my wild Irish wild Irish rose.
You know, it's amazing.